What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. A while ago I wasn't really happy with unboxing, just different stuff videos, you know, maybe too long or something. Now I like it, especially with model train, so I'm doing it now. So here I go. Today is Pensy. Bowser make very good model, and next video I'll run it real quick. So RS3 LokSound. Let's go. The first I saw, of course I opened one and tested. The nice part is this is new to me. Let me know in the comments the packaging. For a second it's just not covered, but the top of the lid was with a window, very nice and clean, and on top of the I'm not showing it, but there is another kind of slided thing. So, but I found this is kind of cool. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Maybe this will help you to figure out. So one time I kind of pull one side, but it's not pulling very well, so just be careful, make sure the model is not going to drop. If you have a different solution, yeah, I'd like to hear. Just very careful. So all paperwork here, I don't think so. There is some diagram for lubrication. Are they telling you how to open? Yes, it's you're taking coupler boxes and top should go up. So there we go. All right. A while ago also, who did this? I think Bowser as well. At the factory they have some electrical or pneumatic air pressure like tools, you know, and seriously guys, impossible to I use like small screwdrivers like this, you know, just bigger head, but no way. My hand's very strong. But yeah, it's almost impossible. Maybe it's too much for this guy, but a while ago I use it. No, it's all good. I didn't open this one. Yeah, so no problem. Oh, my finger code. Yeah. Here we go. Probably need a new one. Okay, be careful. So I'm holding the model and slowly unscrewing, holding for the fuel tank. And now the tough part is actually to put it back. But that's an idea. So you have that small metal thing. Just put it upside down. Put that screw. Here we go. Okay. So if you order it, you know what to do with it. A little bit. I will probably put some extra, maybe just piece of, you know, shipping, what those bubbles things, or whatever it's called. you got it. Peanuts, yes. But you know, it's a Bowser or anybody. Lately I saw my model, like Atheron 10 years ago, it's actually going opposite direction, but you know, technology change. Very nice railing. Yeah, detail is amazing, and that antenna, of course, it's a Pensy. So cool. Highly detailed. Yes, very nice fan cover. Here, couplers. My magnifying glass. See what's the deal with couplers. Looks like it's This looks like Katie. Nice. Yeah, for a second I thought that like bent it, but no, it's normal. Those two, not sure why they. That's it's supposed to be. Yeah, why it's doing like that? If you give me a explanation in the comment line, that will nice in the comment will be very nice to know. Good details in the cab. All right. Okay, let's see. Front. They're saying some models, I think they have a beacon with a different paint scheme, but number boards, I don't think so. They are operational. Yeah, I'm very positive. I went through every single function, look at the manual. They're mentioning again different model with I think a beacon or some strobe light or so. Yeah, very nice detailed trucks. Okay. It's not, let's fix it right away. It's not in place. Here we go. Fixed. Maybe this one, again, if you're moving a lot, I will put some little bit of microcrystal clear, so if you need disassembled, no problem, but that just keep it. Actually, it's not bad at all. Bowser did great job. Really nice model. Yeah, that should be pushed out. And that's it. Great paint scheme. Fantastic. Very nice, smooth finish. Yeah. Looks good. We'll see how it runs. Here we go. Guys, thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like support channel, please join membership. Also, I have Patreon on the left and PayPal me on the right. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye-bye.